Alright, so before you start messing around, you want to have all your tools ready. Get your nice potter's knife right here, needle tool. Got my natural sponge sectioned off for taking care of rims, and a needle tool, or the wire tool, without any kinks or frays, and this rubber rib. Now this is the blue rubber rib. It's really important that you use the blue one for this because there's a black one and it's really rigid, and the black one's not going to allow you to get the same kind of form that you want. It's used for different things. So this one's for shaping, the black one's for compressing plates and stuff like that. So once you get your tools sorted out, make sure everything's nice and chunk free. You don't want any old chunks of clay getting in this. Get your towel set up, get it on center, slam it down on the wheel head, and make sure that it's nice and secure down there, which it is. All right, now we're ready to center.